Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to add home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile. Why would you want to know how to add home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile? Well, maybe it is your first time using Tecno Mobile and not sure how to add home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile. So today I am going to show you how to add home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all Tecno devices. Let me show how you will add home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile. First of all, hold your finger on home screen and then click on widgets. And now swipe these widgets and then select any widget from these options. Like I will choose calendar, and now you can move this widgets to new screen and also resize it. And if you want to remove or delete this widget from your home screen, then first hold your widgets and click on remove. So there you go. If you were wondering how to add home screen widgets on Tecno Mobile, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.